won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love. No, it is way too late.
Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 crazy weird cleaning hacks that actually work. The first 3 hacks I'm actually going to test against each other. I'm going to tape out spots on the floor and test these really tough cleaning hacks on my grout to see which one works the best. The first cleaning hack is toilet bowl cleaner with bleach. It's not just for your toilet. This is a tough cleaner that you can use from anything from your grout to mold in your bathroom. Honestly, there is nothing that toilet bowl cleaner cannot clean. I'm starting with this one because it does have downsides. It's definitely the most toxic cleaner out of the 3 that I'm going to try, and it's bright blue, so wiping it away is a bit of a challenge. But if you have some deep down goo, toilet bowl cleaner will definitely tackle it. This next cleaning hack I got from my friend Jessica, who swears by this recipe from Go Clean Company. I'm going to put a link to their website and Facebook page down below. Their secret cleaning recipe is 1 gallon of water to a teaspoon of Tide powdered laundry detergent and 1/3 cup bleach. Mix this together and use this on anything. It's a little watery. I honestly haven't tested this before, so I'm excited to see how it does against the toilet bowl cleaner on my grout. This third cleaning hack is a tried and true favorite of mine. I use it all the time, and it is baking soda mixed with peroxide to make a paste. This is perfect for anything that has mold or that you really need to clean and brighten. I use this all the time. It has no odor, it's really safe, but let's see how it holds up against the more chemicals on my grout.
I've been dreaming about a life, a house, a dog, the whole shebang. I want you there right by my side, baby, please, to hold me tight throughout the night. Hey, won't you pour me another? I'm going in, so wish me good luck. Yeah, I gotta put on my favorite song. I need a boost. Let's turn up the love.
So out of the 3 different hacks, I really found that the baking soda and peroxide did the best. It's the lightest, it's the cleanest, but the Tide and the bleach concoction is a very close second. And the truth is, it's a little bit easier to use. It's easier to wipe up. And the toilet bowl cleaner, though it did a great job, it was hard to clean up and it didn't do as good of a job as the less toxic 2. This next cleaning hack is my all-time favorite. It's really a laundry hack. I used to use dryer sheets, which kind of were a pain. They're not great for the environment and they cost a lot of money, but now I use dryer sponges. Here's the recipe. It's 1 cup of fabric softener to 6 cups of water, and then you just toss in dollar store sponges. You can reuse these over and over again. Just like you would toss in a dryer sheet in the dryer, you're gonna toss one of these sponges in, and then when you take the dry clothes out, you just plunk the sponge back in the liquid. 1 bottle of fabric softener lasts me an entire year. You never have to replace these sponges. You just keep filling it up with water when it's low. It never leaves a residue on your clothes. Your clothes smell amazing. It's cheap and it's the awesomest hack ever. I have a white glass stovetop, which I don't know who invented that, but it's a nightmare to clean. And I've tried everything. I've bought expensive glass top cleaners. I've bought Barkeeper's Friend, but nothing works as good as baking soda and a damp green sponge. You just sprinkle the top of your stove with baking soda and then rub with this green sponge. It's cheap and it's amazing. It will get it so clean. I think it's the abrasion of the, I don't know what it is, but let me tell you, for a fraction of the price, it does 10 times the job. One of my favorite ways to clean my sink is with olive oil. I have a black granite sink, but you can also use this on a stainless steel sink and taps. You just want to rub it down with olive oil. My sink, it doesn't look great. This is the thing about a granite sink. It looks kind of crappy, but once you olive oil it, it's beautiful. For this next hack, you can use furniture polish if you have white appliances like me. It's perfect for making them shine and look brand new, but it also helps repel fingerprints in the future. I also use furniture polish for cleaning my leather furniture. It makes it look rich and brand new, and it smells good too. This next hack I love and use all the time, and that is straight rubbing alcohol in a spray bottle, and you can use it for any fabric. You can use it for glass, but I really love it for microfiber furniture, for stains on your carpet, or any stains that you have on curtains or throw pillows that you don't necessarily want to have to put in the wash. It dries really fast. You simply spray it on and then buff it with a clean, dry cloth for awesomeness. This next hack I use all the time for cleaning my jewelry, and that is toothpaste and an old toothbrush. Just putting a little bit of toothpaste and scrubbing your rings, your necklaces, any jewelry, gold or silver, it looks brand new. I feel like this works even better than getting them professionally cleaned, and you can totally do it at home. You can also use toothpaste for scuffs on your walls. Who knew? This next hack I actually haven't tried. I'm gonna try it right now, but I've heard rave reviews, and that's using shaving cream to clean your bathroom. The mirrors, it removes urine smell from around the toilet, and your glass shower doors. I've heard that it repels steam and leaves a streak-free shine, so let's try it now. This is a do not try this at home. So, I mean, if you want to spend 10 times as long to get a mediocre job, then use some shaving cream. Otherwise, use glass cleaner because this one's a fail. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any cleaning hacks down in the comments below. I'm almost to 500,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed already and you're watching this video, do me a solid and hit that subscribe button and like for more videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hey guys, thanks so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I have Alicia here who's filming me. She's always filming. You haven't met her. I gotta introduce you. She introduced me to something today. It's called disgusting in a can. It's coconut water. So, unpopular opinion. What is coconut water? It is the grossest thing I've ever put in my mouth, ever. Not only does it just taste sort of like thick water, but it has chunks in it. Chunks of white, flavorless chunks. There's a hint of coconut. It's gross. I've heard people talk about coconut water, how healthy it is. It's like green tea. People are only drinking it because they think it's good for them, and they're all pretending they like it to be part of some healthy club, when in reality, we all know it's disgusting. Green tea tastes like butt. Coconut water tastes like vomit. Let's stop pretending. Let's all admit the truth. Don't care if it's healthy, it's disgusting, and we're not gonna drink it anymore. Let me know in the comments below if you agree with me. I'll see you guys next time.
I like green tea too!
Oh my god, nobody likes green tea! Nobody likes green tea.
Michelle, I drink it all the time!
No.
Like at
No.
night, you have some green tea!
Green tea. Joe drinks it, but
Joe's having green tea!
Joe's a monster.
You don't like the coconut water or the green tea?
Your drinks shouldn't have chunks.
It was delicious.
If it's bubble tea, those are good chunks.
But the coconut was coconutty. Okay, we're done.
I almost hurled.